One of the things that we know about stress and overwhelm is that it can cloud our ability to think clearly. It can lead to us feeling kind of irritable and just not quite right. Luckily, another thing we know is that just by focusing on the quality and the rhythm of our breathing, we can lower our stress levels really quite quickly. Cortisol, the stress hormone that goes around our body, responds when we focus on, particularly on the out breath. So I'm just going to invite you now to breathe with me. If you're comfortable to, I'll invite you to place one hand sort of on your chest where your heart is, and your other hand on your lower abdomen. And we're just going to focus on 3 deep, steady breaths. And if we can, we'll focus on, as we breathe in, pushing into our lower hand, so the hand that's on our lower abdomen. So we're kind of pushing our stomach out as we breathe in. And then a slow, steady breath out, and just let your abdomen sink back in. So let's do that again a few times together. So we're going to breathe in. And out. And in. And out. And in. And out. And just keeping that nice, slow, steady breath going. Just invite you to notice how your body feels. Just keep your breathing easy and steady. Notice any tension or discomfort in your body. Notice your emotions. Just try not to judge them or worry about them. Maybe just notice what's there. And then lastly, just notice your mind. How does your mind feel? Is it busy? Is it slow? And then I'm just going to invite you to ask yourself a gentle question. What do I need? This is the first question of self-compassion. Just taking a moment to ask ourselves, what do I need? And if you have a pen and paper or on your laptop close by, I'm just going to invite you now to see if you can capture some of that in writing. Use these prompts if they're helpful for you. So the prompts are, right now I need, this week, this year, in my life I need more, in my life I need less. And I'll just encourage you to just give yourself kind of 5 or so minutes. If you can, try not to censor yourself. You don't have to share this with anyone else. But just keep going back to that question, what do I need? And give yourself a little bit of space to see what comes out when you try and answer those questions.